Today I'm going to talk about using exclude user field in approval process definition. What is exclude user field? An application form which may contains many fields like submitter, modified by, requester, manager. So if you want to exclude such user from the approval list, then we can configure this exclude user field in approval process. For example, like we don't want a submitter to approve his own request, then you can use a submitter as exclude user field into the approval process definition. Where to configure it? You need to go to the API administration form, that is approval process administration console. Select the process for which you need to configure this. After you configure it, you don't need to restart or something. This will work from the new request. The older request will not be updated after this change. This is how it looks in approval administration console. You see the process. After you open the process, in the basic tab, you see the exclude user field. I will show you how it works. In API administration console, you see here review process. I select this process for demo, and you see there is no value selected, but I will show you before and after configuration. So I have approval mapping for the review phase for the group change management. If I go to the support group change management, there are few users with functional role, change approver 1, change approver 2, and cap manager 1 is change manager 1. The change manager 1 is also a change manager for the same support group. So I'll create a new change request with change management as a change manager. I select the change manager group, select the change manager, save the change request, and do the next stage. Now you see the approval is generated for the change manager group, and C manager 1 will also get the approval. As he is also a manager, I don't want him to approve this change request. So I'll go back to the approval process definition and select the change manager field, which is a cap manager login, and save this process. And I'll just make a copy change to have the same details. Just give here 2, and I have the same manager selected. Save, next stage. Now the approval is generated again for the same support group, but cap manager is excluded from this approval list. Thank you.